मैं around 4 visits हो चुका है ना, four.
Yes.
So how are you feeling after 4 visits of the treatment?
It's much better. Like I had severe back pain, and when I came, I had bad headaches also. It's much better now. Now just the shoulder pain that is there, and
Okay.
I see
So
it's improving.
earlier when you come, it is pain approximately 1 to 10 scale is somewhere in 9 to 10.
Correct.
So how much it is right now?
For the neck and the back, I think it's almost 2, and then that also persists when I'm not taking care.
Long sitting or something.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise it's not there.
It's not there.
Okay. And now what about the shoulder? How much it is shoulder right now?
Shoulder right now, after you've just given me the treatment, I think it's much better. Like before, when I came in, my wrist was hurting, and my shoulder was also hurting very bad. So I think it's much better
Much
now.
better. Okay. Let me adjust again your whole spine, okay, body, and let me know how are you feeling after that. Okay. Just lie down over there. Breathe in, out. I'm giving the adjustment of the C1 C2 junction. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Now C4 5 and C6 level. Breathe in, out. Very good. Now C6 C7 level. Relax. Breathe in. It's hurting? Little bit.
In the back of the neck.
Alright. Is that okay? Comfortable?
No.
No, it is fine.
No.
Breathe in. Very good. Super. Can you lie down? Cervical thoracic junction. Okay. So just holding from here. I already took the assessment. I'm just adjusting the things right now. Breathe in. Out. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Super. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Out. अभी मैं जो कर रहा हूँ एडजस्टमेंट दे रहा हूँ आपके रिब्स एंड स्पाइन बोन के बीच में. ब्रीथ इन. दूसरा था उधर था. रिलैक्स हो, बिल्कुल रिलैक्स हो. ब्रीथ इन. Breathe in. और एक और. Breathe in. Breathe out. अभी करने के बाद बेटर लग रहा है. ऐसे करके खींचते तो अच्छा लगता है. तो ये रिलैक्स. ब्रीथ इन. अपना एंकल अब ठीक लग रहा है.
इसमें पेन हो रहा है इसमें.
अभी भी हो रहा है. These
Is
happy.
it going to hurt?
Sorry?
Is it going to hurt?
Just raising your tailbone. Breathe in. Now check your ankle. Better?
Yeah. थोड़ा सा.
Relax. नीचे रखो. कंफर्टेबल है? टाइट तो नहीं है ना? कंफर्टेबल है? ठीक है. नॉर्मल. ब्रीदिंग.
No, please don't.
थोड़ा नीचे जाओ. Nothing to worry. Thank you. Breathe in, breathe in. बस. That's it. Relax. Go down. Breathe in. बैठो. Okay.
This is.
This is okay.
This is hurting. It's a little pain.
What about the shoulder?
Shoulder is much better.
That's better.
Yeah.